Man, you guys haven't seen this thing. It's the old school remote control 250R. Picked this thing up at a flea market here a while back. It's pretty sweet. Just taking it out for a cruise. Rides Willie's. Kind of hard to record and drive this thing at the same time, but I'm going to try. It's pretty sweet. I just put some rechargeable batteries in it. You can put it in high-low range. I got low range right now. Steering wheel moves and stuff. It's pretty fun. It's definitely awesome. I'm gonna go out and rip this thing around for a little bit. It's like 70 degrees out today. Just out enjoying the weather a bit. See if I can get this thing turned around without killing it. Here we go. Ride Willie Hoy down the alley. Here we get ready. Oh, I let Daisy out to go pee. She spotted her prey. Look at her. She's in hunting mode right now. Tails, all her stubs straight up. Not moving a muscle. Go get that bird. Go get that bird. Get that bird. There she goes. Get that bird. Where's that bird at? She's mad now. Decisions. Trying to get it reverse or what?
Yeah.
Phew. Mad. Go fast and hit it. Go real fast and hit it. Get some speed. Why don't you just turn up here and come right back around? Just got floored. Just go straight in. Huh? What are you hoeing about?
She's stuck.
No, she's not.
Yes, she is.
Is she really?
Yeah.
Oh, she's got it buried. That's funny. Old kids trying to get unstuck. So much fun to watch them.
He-Man, rocket side to side. Let's go. I'm gonna have to get you.
She's not paying around now.
See, I don't know what that clicking is. It sounds like a chain skipping or something. Yeah, it is. Wonder if the tensioner's loose again. Back up! Floor it! Nope, let's just go back. Look at the damage. Lex hit a tree. Broke that out. That was already broke though. Doing some mud bogging. Broke the rocker on the front there. That's alright. Blew a hole in the floor. Oh yeah. Was it fun?
Sure.
Tell YouTubes. Tell them how fun it was.
Fun.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Got mud on the machine.